Hello there, warriors. Have you ever noticed a layer on your teeth just after eating that feels a little different than usual? That is plaque. It is a sticky film of bacteria that forms on your teeth after you eat or drink, especially along the gum line and in areas where food particles accumulate. When you consume carbohydrates, sugars, and starches, the bacteria in your mouth produce acids that combine with saliva and food particles to form plaque. Plaque bacteria feast on sugars and release acids. These acids weaken the enamel, the protective outer layer of your teeth. The plaque is usually taken care of by regular oral hygiene practices such as brushing and flossing. If not, it can mineralize and harden over time. This process, known as mineralization or calcification, occurs when minerals in saliva, primarily calcium and phosphate, combine with the plaque to form dental calculus, also known as tartar. Tartar is identified as a yellowish or brownish deposit on the teeth. Tartar provides a rough surface for additional plaque to adhere to, accelerating the buildup of more plaque and bacteria. This can lead to various oral health issues, including gingivitis, periodontitis, bad breath, and tooth decay. The worst part is that as tartar buildup gets worse, it cannot be removed through regular brushing and flossing alone. Professional dental cleanings, performed by a dental hygienist or dentist, are necessary to remove tartar buildup effectively. However, ladies and gentlemen, there is no need to worry. If you take care of your teeth every day, you can ensure to prevent tartar buildup. And here's the best part: you can naturally keep your teeth in perfect condition. Stay tuned to discover 10 incredible ways to remove and prevent plaque and tartar buildup in this ultimate guide to dental health. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We look out for your health with amazing wellness tips for a healthy life, and we would love for you to be a part of our community of warriors. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea is rich in polyphenols, particularly catechins. These polyphenols have been shown to have various health benefits, including antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. The antimicrobial properties of green tea catechins can help inhibit the growth of bacteria in the mouth. Bacteria, especially those like Streptococcus mutans, contribute to the formation of plaque. Catechins may interfere with the bacteria's ability to adhere to tooth surfaces, limiting their growth and reducing the formation of dental plaque. Green tea polyphenols may also reduce the production of acid by bacteria, helping to maintain a less acidic environment in the mouth. This is important because acidic conditions can contribute to enamel erosion. Drinking green tea regularly, along with swirling it through the mouth, can provide a consistent supply of polyphenols, contributing to ongoing bacterial control. Number 2. Baking soda. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, has a gritty texture that acts as a mild abrasive. This characteristic allows it to mechanically scrub away surface stains on teeth caused by coffee, tea, and tobacco. The abrasiveness of baking soda can help break down the soft and sticky film of plaque that forms on teeth. By regularly using baking soda to disrupt plaque formation, there's potential for reducing the risk of tartar buildup. Despite its benefits, baking soda should be used with caution due to its abrasive nature. Excessive and aggressive use can lead to enamel erosion, which is the gradual wearing away of the protective outer layer of teeth. Dentists typically recommend limiting the use of baking soda to once a week or a couple of times a month to minimize the risk of enamel erosion. Mix a small amount of baking soda with water to create a paste, and use a soft bristled toothbrush to apply the baking soda paste. Gentle circular motions are recommended to avoid excessive abrasion. After brushing with baking soda, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water to remove any residual particles. To further mitigate the abrasiveness, you can mix a small amount of baking soda with your regular fluoride toothpaste. Number 3. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is acidic, primarily containing acetic acid. This acidity can help dissolve and break down dental plaque and tartar, which are composed of bacterial biofilm and hardened mineral deposits. At the same time, since apple cider vinegar is acidic, using it undiluted can potentially erode tooth enamel. Diluting it with water helps reduce its acidity, making it safer for oral use. It may have mild antibacterial properties which can target and inhibit the growth of bacteria in the mouth, contributing to a reduction in plaque-forming bacteria. The acidity can stimulate saliva production, Saliva is the body's natural defense mechanism against plaque buildup, as it helps neutralize acids and wash away food particles. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 to 3 parts water and swish the diluted apple cider vinegar around in your mouth for about 20–30 seconds. The acidity of apple cider vinegar, if used excessively, may contribute to enamel erosion. Using apple cider vinegar as a mouth rinse once a week is often suggested. This infrequent use minimizes the risk of prolonged exposure to acidic conditions in the mouth. Number 4. Berries. Berries have been known to effective addition to any diet. When it comes to strawberries and cranberries, they are especially beneficial to oral health. Strawberries contain malic acid, a natural compound known for its mild whitening properties. Malic acid helps break down surface stains on teeth, resulting in a brighter smile. The malic acid works by gently dissolving stains on the enamel, helping to reveal the natural whiteness of the teeth. When consumed, the texture of strawberries can also help scrub away plaque and surface stains due to their slightly abrasive nature. Despite their benefits, strawberries are also acidic fruits. Overconsumption can potentially erode tooth enamel over time, leading to increased sensitivity and other dental issues. It's essential to enjoy strawberries in moderation as part of a balanced diet and maintain proper oral hygiene practices. Cranberries, on the other hand, contain polyphenols, natural compounds with antioxidant and antimicrobial properties. These polyphenols may help inhibit the growth of bacteria associated with dental plaque and cavities. By preventing bacterial adherence, cranberries may help reduce the formation of plaque on the teeth, ultimately contributing to tartar prevention. Opt for fresh cranberries or unsweetened cranberry juice, as it can provide the benefits of polyphenols without the added sugars that can contribute to dental issues. Number 5. Dairy products. Dairy products are excellent sources of calcium and phosphorus, minerals essential for maintaining strong tooth enamel. Calcium is the primary mineral component of enamel, while phosphorus works synergistically with calcium to support enamel remineralization. When tooth enamel is demineralized due to acidic conditions in the mouth, calcium and phosphorus from saliva and dietary sources can help remineralize and repair the enamel, potentially reversing the early stages of tooth decay and preventing tartar formation. Dairy products contain casein proteins, which have been shown to form a protective layer on the tooth surface, shielding enamel from acids and bacterial attacks. Casein proteins may help buffer acids in the mouth, reducing plaque acidity and lowering the risk of tartar formation. Cheese, in particular, is rich in calcium and phosphate, making it an excellent choice for promoting enamel remineralization and neutralizing acids in the mouth. Chewing on cheese stimulates saliva production, which helps wash away food particles and bacteria, reducing the buildup of plaque and tartar. Cheese has a pH close to neutral, which can help counteract the acidic environment created by sugary and starchy foods, further protecting against enamel erosion and tartar formation. Eating cheese after meals has been shown to reduce the acidity of dental plaque and saliva, potentially minimizing the risk of acid erosion and tartar accumulation. Number 6. Turmeric. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has well-documented anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a key factor in various oral health issues, including gingivitis and periodontal disease. The anti-inflammatory effects of turmeric can benefit gum health by reducing inflammation and preventing or alleviating conditions like gingivitis, where the gums become inflamed and may bleed. Turmeric's ability to reduce swelling may contribute to improved gum comfort and a healthier overall oral environment. Turmeric has a slightly abrasive nature, and its powder can act as a gentle scrub. This characteristic makes it potentially effective in removing surface stains and dental plaque when used in moderation. It's essential to use turmeric paste with caution and avoid excessive scrubbing, which may lead to enamel wear or gum irritation. Apply the paste gently to avoid any damage to the tooth enamel. Limit the use of turmeric paste to once or twice a week as part of your oral care routine. Combine turmeric powder with enough water or coconut oil to make a paste with a thick, but spreadable, consistency. Use a soft toothbrush to apply the turmeric paste to your teeth. Gently brush for 2–3 minutes. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with water to remove any residue. It's advisable to follow up with regular toothpaste to ensure comprehensive cleaning and prevent yellow tinting. Number 7. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is touted as one of the healthiest oils for its diverse health benefits. It contains lauric acid, a fatty acid with strong antimicrobial properties. Lauric acid has been shown to inhibit the growth of bacteria, viruses, and fungi in the mouth. Coconut oil can help reduce the overall bacterial load in the oral cavity, including the bacteria that contribute to plaque formation. Coconut oil has anti-inflammatory properties that can also help soothe and reduce inflammation in the gums. Healthy gums are crucial for overall oral health. Coconut oil's antimicrobial properties also target odor-causing bacteria in the mouth and may lead to fresher breath. Oil pulling involves swishing a tablespoon of coconut oil around in the mouth. The swishing action mechanically helps dislodge plaque and bacteria from the teeth and gums. The oil traps these particles, preventing them from reattaching the teeth. Take a tablespoon of coconut oil and swish it around your mouth vigorously, pulling it through your teeth for around 15-20 minutes continuously. Do not swallow the oil and ideally spit it out into a trash can. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with warm water or a saltwater rinse to remove any residual oil and remaining bacteria. Number 8. Fruits and vegetables. You must have heard an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and here's why. Many fruits and vegetables, especially crunchy ones like apples, carrots, and celery, have a fibrous texture. The natural fibers act as gentle abrasives that help remove plaque and debris from the surfaces of teeth. Chewing on fibrous fruits and vegetables provides a mechanical cleaning action. The fibers can help scrub away plaque, food particles, and bacteria from the tooth surfaces. The abrasiveness can also contribute to preventing surface stains on teeth by removing pigmented particles that might otherwise adhere to the enamel. Chewing crunchy fruits and vegetables stimulates saliva production in the mouth. Opt for raw and crunchy fruits and vegetables for maximum dental benefits. Examples include apples, carrots, celery, and bell peppers. Incorporate a variety of fruits and vegetables into your diet to ensure a diverse range of nutrients. Different fruits and vegetables offer unique textures and nutritional profiles. Choose fruits and vegetables as healthy snack options between meals. Snacking on these foods can contribute to the natural cleansing process throughout the day and prevent eating junk food as snacks. Some fruits, such as citrus fruits, are acidic. While they can stimulate saliva production and contribute to dental health, it's advisable to rinse the mouth with water afterward to mitigate potential enamel erosion. Number 9. Parsley. Chlorophyll, the green pigment in plants like parsley, has natural deodorizing properties that can help neutralize odors associated with oral bacteria. Chewing on a few sprigs of fresh parsley after meals may temporarily freshen breath, but there's more to it. Parsley contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that may help promote gum health and reduce inflammation in the oral cavity. Healthy gums are essential for preventing gum disease, a common precursor to tartar buildup. Chewing on parsley stimulates saliva production, which plays a crucial role in maintaining oral health. Saliva helps rinse away food particles, neutralize acids, and remineralize tooth enamel, reducing the risk of plaque and tartar formation. Parsley is also rich in vitamins A and C, as well as minerals like calcium and phosphorus, which are essential for maintaining strong teeth and gums. These nutrients support overall oral health and may contribute to tartar prevention. While chewing on fresh parsley after meals may offer some oral health benefits, incorporating parsley into your diet as a culinary herb can provide ongoing support for oral health. Add parsley to salads, soups, sauces, and other dishes to enjoy its flavor and potential health benefits. Number 10. Onion. Onion is a star in almost every one of our videos, and it's not hard to see why when it is so packed with health benefits. Onions contain sulfur compounds such as allicin, alein, and thiosulfonates, which exhibit antibacterial properties. These compounds have been found to inhibit the growth of bacteria in the mouth, including those responsible for plaque formation and dental decay. By inhibiting bacterial growth, onions may help reduce the accumulation of plaque on teeth surfaces. Regular consumption of onions, along with proper oral hygiene practices, may help prevent the initial stages of plaque buildup. Chewing raw onions stimulates saliva production in the mouth. Saliva plays a crucial role in oral health by washing away food particles, neutralizing acids, and remineralizing tooth enamel. Increased saliva flow resulting from onion consumption helps rinse away food debris and bacteria, reducing the risk of plaque formation. Raw onions are most beneficial for oral health due to their higher concentration of active compounds. Add sliced onions to salads, sandwiches, or wraps for a flavorful crunch. Oh, my dear warriors, oral health is of the utmost importance because, through the food we eat and the air we breathe, we can expose our body to many unseen toxins or germs. And our dental fortress is one of the first lines of defense. We all know how sugar is harmful to our health, but we still crave sweetness at times. Here's a personal advice. Consider including fresh fruits as dessert in part of your post-meal routine. They provide natural sweetness with tremendous benefits. Chewing on them can help remove residual food particles, promote saliva flow after eating, and of course, help limit the consumption of high-sugar desserts. Cheers to wellness and health. This is Wellness Warriors with another life-changing experience on how to take control of your healthy lifestyle. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on the latest health tips and tricks to a better life. Thank you for watching. See you again next time on Wellness Warriors.